Hello guys, in this video I will tell you guys about the how you do the square of two-digit numbers in just few seconds or minutes. So without wasting your time, let's get started.
Renderforce.com.
Alright guys, so here am I, and now I am here to guide you how you do the square of two-digit variable that ends on 1. So simply you just want to need that here is all the two-digit numbers that end on 1. So what you want to need just to type 1 in all of these. First type 1 in all of these. Alright guys, so here am I, and now I am here to guide you how you do the square of two-digit variable that ends on 1. So simply you just want to need that here is all the two-digit numbers that end on 1. So what you want to need just to type 1 in all of these. First type 1 in all of these. It means that you are doing the last number square. So you need is first you type 1, and after you type 1 in all of these, I will teach you that what is the second step. So and it's done. So guys, now I am done with the 1, and now what you want to do here, you type 1 in all of these, and now you do the square of the first variable. But firstly you want to do that double the first variable, and that becomes your second digit. Double the first variable and that's become your second digit. Double the first variable and that's become your second digit. And the third step you do here, that square of the first digit. So it's become 121. Similarly in this, double your first variable means to say that 4. Double your first variable is 4, and now square of your first variable is also 4. So it's become 441. And in that case, double your first variable, that means 3 into 2 is 6. So it's become 6, and now square of your first variable, that means 9, so 691. So 961 is the square of 31. And now double your first variable, that is 4, so it means 8. And now square of your first variable, that means 16. 81 is the square of 41. 1681 is the square of 41. And now in 51, double your first variable. That means what you are doubling? 5. It means that 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So here we can write only 0, 0. And now the square of 5 square is equal to 25 plus 1. Why I am plus 1 and 1 in 25? Because that one is carrying from 0, from 10. There is a 0 that is for 10, and now I am carrying it, and now I am carrying his 1 to 25, and it become 26. So it simply means 202601. And similarly we are doing here double. Alright guys, so now I am going to teach you how you can do the square of 2-digit variables and on 5. So from here we have 15. I have 15 over here. So what I want to do, just firstly I want to write the square of 5. It's 25, and now double the first digit, multiplying it by its second number, and now multiplying the first digit by its next number, Similarly from here, square, write the square of 5, that is 25, and now multiply 2 by its next number, that is 3, so it's become 625. Similarly from here, write the square of 5, that is 25, and now multiply 3 by its next number, that is 4. It means 1225. Similarly from here, write the square of 5, that is 25, and now multiply 4 by its next number, that is 5. It means 4 multiplied by 5 give you 20. And now similarly here, write the square of 5, that is 25, and multiply 5 by its next number, that is 6. So 6 multiplied by 5 gives us 30. And now similarly here, write the square of 5, that is 25, multiply by 6 by its next number, it means 7. 6 multiplied by 7 give you 42. So it's become 4225. Now from here, multiply 5, the last digit, with 5. It means square of 5 is square of the last digit, square of 5, and now multiply 7 by its next number, that is 8. So 7 multiplied by 8 give us 56. It means 5625. And now take one more example. If you can't understand, or skip the video 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Now 85 square means, first you want to do, it's just write the square of 5 and now multiply 8 by its next number, that is 9, which means 72. And now here is 95. So first you want to do that, multiply 5 with its number, multiply by 5, that is 25, or square of 5, and now multiply 9 by its next number, that is 10. So here am I. 9 multiplied by 10 gives you 90, so it's 9025. I hope you guys understand, and now I am going to teach you how you will do the square of 2-digit variables that ends on any number. But first of all guys, you want to clear me that, hope you guys understand it, and I am going to take you on the next part of the video. Thanks a lot. Hello guys, I am back with another part of the video. In this part I will tell you guys how you do the square of two-digit variables ends on any number. So firstly, I have a formula over there. What is the formula? It's a simple formula. Everyone knows the formula. That is a plus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus 2ab and simply plus b square. Now what we have the value of a and b squared, that is 68 square. You want to know that I am removing the plus sign over there. It means there is no plus sign anymore on the equation. It means that there is no plus sign anymore on the equation. So the equation becomes 6 square, just a gap, 6 square, and you can write the 2, 6, 8 and gap for preventing them. What is b? B is 8, so it means 8 square. And now just copying the segment, copy. Oh wow, paste, going to the next line, paste, is equal to 36, 96 and 64. Now you come here. I am already at this. So what does it means? Now you can write this 4 as it is. On the last digit is the last digit, and now you can add them. Write the 2 of the 12 here, and 1 goes here. It means 1 plus 9 becomes 10, and now this carrying to this, it's becomes 16. So 16, 6 here, 1 carries to there, 1 plus 3 becomes 4. So it means it become 4624. 4624. Now come on the notepad. I am already now on the second equation. The formula is same. Now I am only putting the values. It means that 9 square 2 9 2 9 3 space 3 3 square. For a bit of confusion, avoiding the confusion, I'm going to the next line, copy them, going to the next line, paste them, is equal to 9 square is equal to 81, 2 into 9 is equal to 18, 18 into 3 becomes 48, 48, and now it's become 9. So guys, 81, 48 and 9. So come here, 93 square is equal to 81, 48, 9. So you can write this 9 as it is. you can write this. Wait, I will check something. 2 nines are 18, and 18 into 3 becomes 54. Sorry, so it's 54, and this is also 54. So 93 squares become this. 4 you can also write is add as it is. 5 goes to here, you can write it 6, and this 8 you can write it as it is. So it becomes 9 6 4 9. 9649. So I hope you guys understand. If you understand how to do the square of two-digit variables, comment below. If you have any doubt, comment below. If you want more example, I will give you in the comment section, or message me on my page link given in the description below. I will teach you all of the stuff. But make sure you will subscribe to my channel and like to my page. Thank you very much. Hello guys.